Okay, celebration of picking 100 challenge locks on camera. At least by the time I finish this video, I will have. I've produced 3 challenge locks to share around, and I'm going to run a little giveaway just for whoever gets the first go at them. So, made spare, which is what I'm going to pick on camera today. I'm not going to cut it, but just pick it. So I'll mount that up. You can see it's got the symbol there. It's got HP Logic engraved there, and spare and a little bowling ball pin. Should give you a hint to what's inside. So we got that one. I've got this one here, which is County Fair. That's got some nice pins in it, resembling different foods you might find at a fairground. So there's like an ice cream cone in there, there's a corn on the cob, hot dog pin, a mystery bucket. What else did I put in there? A spiral potato and a candy apple. There you go, those are the pins in that one. And I've got this one, which will be very difficult, called Get Screwed. I'm just waiting on a new 3.5mm tap for this, as the Bible and core will all be threaded. Mine snapped, so just waiting on a new one for that, but it will be ready by the time the drawing happens. Amazon assures me. So yeah, to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is make a video on challenge log. Either one you have one you've made yourself, or someone else has. So just pick a challenge lock on video or show off one that you've made recently. Either way, do that. Put it on YouTube. Release it with the hashtag HVCL100, and the drawing. Why does this feel so strange already? Okay, the drawing will be on the 1st of February. So yeah, you're not really winning much, you're just winning the first go at them. I'll have another coming up on 500 subscribers soon, slowly. So I'll have another proper giveaway there with a real prize. But this is just a little, mini celebration. 100 challenge locks on videos. Pretty cool. Not many people can claim to have done that. There are a few, but not many. So where is this last pin? Even when it's your own challenge lock, sometimes it's still really hard. Sometimes it's holding this up here, and I'm not sure which one it is. A very deep offset though. And there it is. All right. There we go. So that's picked. I'm going to lock that back up. I will leave it to whoever has the first go at this to gut them properly. So there we go. Strike, Get Screwed, and County Fair win the opportunity to have the first go at them. Just make me a video on a challenge lock. Use the hashtag. And here's to 100 more challenge locks.